Hi guys, I'm back, and a lot of you may be wondering, or may have wondered in the past, how I get a lot of the micro SD card videos from the computer onto my phone. And what I use is this funny looking device right here. It's called the iExpand drive, or sometimes I will use this one here, which is just as good, a Cuva. The only problem that it has sometimes is, as you can see here, it has a USB and then the lightning port for the iPhone 5. The only problem that it has, and I'll show you in a second, is when I take this out, iExpand has a narrower connection. So for this to go in, it will not go all the way into the case. Let me see if this focuses a little bit better. You guys can see, because it is a little bit thicker, it may not be able to go into your iPhone if you have a large or a longer case to protect the phone. And so some of the time I will use the iExpand from SanDisk, as it is narrower and therefore it works even if I have my case on. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.